Hello my dear students, welcome back again. Today we are going to learn something that every English speaker must know. The topic is self-introduction in English. আজ আমরা শিখব ইংরেজিতে নিজের পরিচয় কিভাবে দিতে হয়. Well, a question may arise, why is it important? Then let me ask you something. Have you ever faced this moment? Someone asks, tell me about yourself, and your mind suddenly goes blank? It happens to everyone. Even to English teachers sometimes. But don't worry, after watching today's class, you will be very able to say your self-introduction confidently and naturally. And to do that, we will divide the self-introduction part into 5 easy steps. The steps are greeting, name, place, what you do, hobby or interest. So, step 1, greeting means Obhivadan. Always starts with a smile. When you start with positivity, people remember you. You can say like, good morning everyone, hello friends, hi there. In a classroom or interview, use good morning sir, good morning ma'am. যদি শিক্ষক বা বড় কারোর সঙ্গে কথা বলো, বলবে good morning sir অথবা good morning ma'am. If you are talking to friends, you can say hey guys or hi everyone. Simple rule. Formal greeting, good morning. Informal greeting, hi, hey. Step 2, name, naam. After greeting, say your name clearly and confidently. Speak it like you are proud of it. For example, my name is Indrajit Chakraborty. In contradiction, you can say I am Indrajit Chakraborty, or in spoken you can say I am Indrajit Chakraborty. Now step 3, place, Bashosthan. Next, say where you are from. For example, I am from Nishiganj, Coach Bihar, or I can say I am from Nishiganj, my hometown is Coach Bihar. If you have moved somewhere new, you can say I am originally from Coach Bihar, but now I live in Siliguri. আমি মূলত কোচবিহারের মানুষ, কিন্তু এখন শিলিগুড়িতে থাকি. Hopefully you have understood this part. Now, next part is step 4, what you do. তুমি কি করো? Now, tell what you do in life. For example, I'm a teacher, or you can say I'm a student of class 6, 3, 2, 4. In what class you are, you can say accordingly. I work in a school, or I study in a school. And in this part, as a student, your introduction will be, I am a student of class 4. I study at Nishiganj Sharoda Shishutirtha. Now, the final part, step 5, hobby or interest, shok ba pochondo. Now add some life to your introduction. Tell what you love doing. For example, I love reading storybooks, I enjoy making videos, I'm really into music, I like playing football. Or you can add some more sentences accordingly. In my example, I will say I love making educational videos for my students and helping them speak English confidently. আমি আমার ছাত্রছাত্রীদের জন্য শিক্ষামূলক ভিডিও তৈরি করতে ভালোবাসি এবং তাদের আত্মবিশ্বাসের সঙ্গে ইংরেজি বলতে সাহায্য করি. Now, let's combine all 5 parts in a single steps. Full self-introduction of a students. Hi everyone, my name is Indrajit Chakraborty. I am from Nishiganj. I am a student of class 3. I love drawing and reading storybooks. Thank you. So hopefully, you have got your introduction well from this session. And now, finally, it's time for practice section. Alright students, now it's your turn. I will give you a pattern. Fill up that pattern in writing and send it to me in WhatsApp. And also, make it an audio file and send it to me too. Okay then, let's have a look of the pattern. Say it with energy, smile and confidence. হাসি মুখে বলবে, আত্মবিশ্বাসের সঙ্গে. Because English is not just a language, it's your power to express yourself. So my dear students, that's all for today's class. Remember, when you introduce yourself, you are not saying just few words. You are sharing your identity. Practice this every day in front of a mirror. প্রতিদিন আয়নার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে একটু একটু করে প্র্যাকটিস করবে। And soon you will sound confident, natural and proud. If you liked today's class, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Edubloom. Because every week we learn English in a fun way with your Dadamoni. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning and keep speaking English. Bye bye.